Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this video we will discuss how to use a progress indicator bar in your screen flow. Okay, so firstly, to use the progress indicator bar in your screen flow, you have to create a lightning component. Okay, so I'm going to my developer console and just click on this file and click new and lightning component. Okay, and name it as progress indicator. Okay, progress indicator. Just select this lighting tab, lighting page, lighting record page, experience builder site page, and lighting quick action. Click submit. Okay, so here I am copy this code and paste into the component section. Okay, after this I'm copying this code, the style component, and paste into the style section. Okay, and the last one is design component. Just copy this code of the design component and paste it. I will provide this code in the description box or in the comment box. You can refer this code, that is component, this design and css. Only these three components are to be used. Okay, after this go back to home tab and go to your flow. Okay, in the quick find bar search flow, click on this flow, click new flow, start from scratch, click next, screen flow, click create. Okay, so first you have to make assignment variable to store the variable. Firstly, go to freeform and change the in the manager tab you have to select three. What is the first one is your three stages. The first is, suppose you want to use three. Firstly, you have to enter some personal detail. In the second screen he enters some address information, and the last screen just record are to be created. Three screens are to be used. Okay, you can use many more screens as the requirement was given. Okay, so firstly is personal information form. Okay, order one and active by default, click done. Second, same address information, order by 2, active by default, yes. Third is finish, order by 3, order is 3 and active by default 4. Okay, so change to auto layout. After this, what you will do, just click on this plus item and add an assignment. First assignment is stage 1, stage 1. Okay, in the stage 1 code, this is the flow, select this and current stage equals, first is personal form. First you have to fill the personal information, then academic, then address, then last one is finish section. So first is stage 1, then you have to go to screen flow, select the screen, that is personal information. Okay, and in this personal information you have to select the name and your company, text field. First write the label, API name is name, and text field, yeah, this one, company. Okay, this is the company. Okay, first name and company. Okay, in the name section, okay, leave it blank. Yeah, label it name first name for. Click done. After this, add assignment 2, that is stage 2. Stage 2. In this same flow, current stage equals address information. Okay. So in the first screen, I missed that the flow stages. This progress indicator. Just drag this component here. That is personal name. API name is personal info. Okay. And the current stage was your flow dot current stage and stage में flow dot active stages. Okay, this is the first screen. Same for stage 2. Okay, current stage equal address information, and the screen, click on this screen, address info, and address. Okay, you have to select the progress indicator bar, address. Okay, current stage is equal to, go to flow and your current stage. Okay, and the stages is flow dot active stages, flow dot active stages, this one. Okay, drag the component of address section below this and address. Okay, address one. Okay, click done. After this, you have to made a create a record, or yeah, you have to create a record, create a record. No, not create a record. After third element, you have to just create a record. Get a stage 3 assignment, sorry, assignment, and in this stage 3. Okay, stage 3 flow dot active stage is equal to finish section, where it is, this is the finish. Okay, and in this, make a screen flow, this message. Okay, and in this message you have to just text field, display text, message 1. I'm labeling it name as message. Okay, message display. Okay, and the message was that your record are created successfully. Select this and make it, its font size should be 20, make it center, bold, and color should be like this. Okay, correct. Add progress indicator bar above this, and this is like finish. Okay, label it name as finish, already there. Okay, no problem. Just add another API name, complete. Okay, completed. And in this current stage, just select the flow dot current stage and flow dot active stages. Okay, save and exit. Okay, see here I am the customize the footer also, that is use a, next of finish button, use a custom level, that is save and exit. Okay, after this, once he has save and exit, then record are to be created, and after that it will navigate to the detail page also. So firstly I am creating a record, create record in lead. Okay, I'm just want to create the record in lead. Object is lead, and first name also. The first screen, that is personal information. Okay, in this personal word, the company mapped with the company. Okay, and the last name mapped with the name dot last name, and the first name mapped with the name dot first name. Okay. Okay, so the second screen was that the address information. Okay, so I'm just adding the street, city, country, and anything else I'm remaining, state. Okay, so just map the address dot one dot city. First is street, second is address one dot city value, address one dot country value, and the last one is address one dot state. Sorry, this is street, address one dot street value, RAT. Okay, see. Okay, after this you want to create a record, sorry, navigate to the detail page. Just in the search bar, select action button, click on this, search detail page navigation, navigate, label it name as navigate to detail page. Okay. Okay, open this record id and lead id from record. Select this lead id from create record in lead. Okay, just save it, label it name as progress indicator by screen flow. Just save it as. Okay, just activate also. Okay, so in the I activated a flow also, and in this, here the detail page navigation, it is used for, navigating the detail page. Okay, just to open the record. Okay, I'm providing this code also in the description box or the chat box. Okay, here it is a code for the detail page navigation. Here this component, controller, and your design component. Okay, I'm providing this code into the description box or the comment section. You can refer this progress indicator and the detail page. Now both code I am providing in the detail page or the in their comment section. Okay, you can refer this. Okay, just click on this message and your record has created successfully. Just add message again, another, that is click save to, click save and exit to navigate to detail page. Okay, let's make it as bold. Okay, just change the color to something else. No, this is not good. Click save and exit to navigate the detail page. Okay, okay, click done. Just save it as once again. Okay, click activate. Okay. Go to home tab and click on edit page. Okay, just add the component, change the label as a progress indicator bar by screen flow, click save. Okay, I'm saving this. So go back and see here the personal information, address information and the finish section. ठीक है, तो first is I am adding the Mukesh Kumar first name and the last name is Prajapati and the company is Trailer Titans. When I click on next, it will be navigate from personal information to address information like this. See, I'm the staging of address information. I'm at the address of, that is street is Kent, city is Varanasi, pin code is 221002, country state is UP and country is India. Okay, see, when I click on next, it will be navigate to the finish session, that is your record are created successfully. Click save and exit to navigate to detail page. When I click on save and exit, then your record are to be created and it will navigate into the detail page of the lead record. See, this record are to be recently created, it will navigate into this. When I click on the detail page, see Mukesh Kumar Prajapati, that is company is Trailer Titans, lead status open not contact, lead number this, and the address was like this. When I click on edit, see Kent Varanasi, state is Kent, India, and this is okay. This is how you can do use a progress indicator bar in your screen flow and use a detail page navigation in the screen flow. Okay, I am providing this code, that is progress indicator component and the detail page component in the description box or the chat box, you can refer from there. Also, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future updates. Thank you guys.